welcome back. My name is Corrie Johnson and I'm happy to be back doing a back to basics makeup look for you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how to line your lips perfectly. I have full lips, so I always love my lips to be a bit smaller, but today I'm going to be making it as normal as possible and probably just overline in some areas because that's what is trending now, isn't it? Full lips. So I already have full lips. I am happy, so let's go into it. So if you observed, my face is already prepped and I applied some foundation around my lips because my lip is really pigmented. It is hyperpigmented, so I have applied foundation around my lips, and as you can see, it's covering the edges. So I'm just going to go straight into lipstick. So I'm using this old pencil of mine that I have from Zara Cosmetics. It is vivid, it is really dark. So I want to do like a mix of pink and nude, but I'm going to be using a very dark lip liner. So if you notice, I started off from my Cupid bowl and I'm just going to keep lining. I love to smile when applying lip liner or lipstick because my lip is very wrinkled, so I'm just gonna smile. By doing so, you'll be able to apply your lipstick properly or your lip pencil. Next is this lipstick by BH Cosmetics. It is quite pinkish, but also has some gold pigments in it. And I'm going to be highlighting it with some nude lipstick. It has a metallic finish. Then I'm going to take my small lipstick applicator and blend. And then I'm going to go back . So I'm going to be applying some clear gloss on top of it. Gloss is giving it some highlights to make it look plump. So Thank you so much for watching. Love you.